Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this delicious caldo de res, estilo de mi mami. Let's start by getting our ingredients together. Here we have 3 pounds of beef shank, 2 to 3 calabacitas, here I have a huge one, 5 medium golden potatoes. Don't worry, we're gonna chop these up. 4 medium-sized corn on the cob. We're going to need some cabbage, but only about half of it. We're also gonna need some onion, but only half of it. We're gonna need 1 chayote, 2 whole carrots, some salt, caldo con sabor de res beef seasoning, some limes. We're gonna start by cutting the onion in half and throwing it into a boiling pot. The onion really brings out the flavor in the caldo. Start adding in your meat. Make sure it's covered with water. Be careful when you're doing this because the water can be very hot. Just go ahead and add it in there. I like making caldo de res when it's cold outside because it makes it that much more delicious and it's good for the soul. You sabe. Give it a quick stir, and if you need to add more water, add it in. Everything needs to be submerged. You're going to cover the meat and let it cook for 45 minutes until fork tender. Here we're cutting our potatoes into 4s, but if you have kids, you can go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. Chop, chop, chop it up. Chop it up. It's chopping it up time.
Oh yeah, positivity, yeah!
Make sure you wash these after you're done. Now for the carrots, you're going to peel and wash them. Go ahead and cut these into small pieces. Now for the corn, we're going to cut them in half, or if you have muscles like me, you can just break them. Now you're going to peel your chayote. Careful, because once you peel it, it gets really sticky and slippery. Young, my mom will make us this dish when we weren't feeling good, and it will pick us right up. Now let's cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Now for the calabacita. Cut out the ends and begin to chop it up. You can cut them round, or you can cut them into smaller pieces. Cut half of your cabbage and then cut that half into another half. And then another. Yeah. It's been about 30 minutes. At this time, you will see some foam forming on top of the caldo. We're going to take that out. We don't want that there. You're going to do this throughout the process of cooking the meat. After cleaning it, you're gonna go ahead and add some salt to your liking, depending on your taste buds. Now add in your beef seasoning. Here I added 3 tablespoons. Now give it a mix. I noticed some more foam forming, so I'm gonna take it out. It's been about 45 minutes. The way you know your meat is ready is by checking it with the fork. It should be fork tender. I just want to take a quick second to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Ooh-wee, this smells delicious. Now that the meat is about ready, we're gonna start adding the potatoes since they take a little longer to cook. Now we're gonna cover it up for about 5 minutes and then add the carrots. After the carrots, go ahead and add in the corn. About 2 minutes later, you're gonna add in the rest of the vegetables. It has the house smelling so good. Cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes. We're gonna grab a bunch of cilantro and we're gonna chop it up very finely. Throw it into the caldo and mix it in there. I like having it in every single bite. Cover and turn the heat off. You're going to let this sit for 15 minutes. My mom used to serve it with rice on top, so I made some rice to go with it. Make sure to check out our rice video if you want to know the recipe. Throw the rice on top, add a little bit of lemon, and voila! This is so good! I hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.